Meet Drop Blade, the ultimate compact blade, engineered to carry serious performance in your pocket. The dual-edge blade is crafted from M390 super steel, renowned for its edge retention and superb toughness. Slice paper with super clean edges, open boxes, cut packages, slice rope, and pierce through cans. This microblade is your go-anywhere tool. Whether tackling daily tasks or impromptu outdoor chores, this blade holds its edge longer. And when it dulls, just remove the blade, sharpen it, and it's ready to perform again. Encased in unibody titanium, the drop blade folds neatly into a sleek, minimalist frame lock design, all in under an inch when deployed. It slips onto your keyring, is super compact, and always within reach without bulk. From the daily grind to the unexpected, Drop Blade doesn't flinch. Rugged, refined, and ready when you are.